Welcome to DewDear Academy. Today I am discussing the previous year questions of ESI Staff Nurse 2016 question paper. So you can subscribe our channel and also give your comments in the comment box. So first question is, scalds means it is a burn caused by options moist heat, flame, chemicals, electricity. And the answer is moist heat. Second question, the normal fetal heart sound per minute is 90 to 100, 100 to 120, 110 to 130, 120 to 140. Right answer is 120 to 140. Normal biparietal diameter measurement of full-term fetal head is options 10.5 centimeters, 11.4 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, 8.5 centimeters. Right answer is 9.5 centimeters. Negri bodies are found in cells infected with foulpox virus, vaccinia virus, rabies virus, paramyxovirus. Right answer is rabies virus. Which one of these is not an obstetric forceps? Options Haig-Ferguson forceps, Keelan's forceps, Briggs forceps, Wrigley's forceps. Right answer is Briggs forceps. Difficulty in achieving and maintaining balance, gross or fine motor incoordination is called options dyskinesia, diplegia, spasticity, ataxia. The right answer is ataxia. Dash is considered mood disorder which include the occurrence of depressive episodes and one or more elated mood episodes. Options bipolar disorder, delusional disorder, psychotic disorder, depressive disorder. The right answer is bipolar disorder. Next question. Name of the duodenal hormone is options gastrin, acid pepsin, cholecystokinin, gastric inhibiting peptide. Answer is cholecystokinin. Lumbar puncture or spinal tap is done in between vertebrae L2 and L3, L3 and L4, L1 and L2, L4 and L5. Right answer is L4 and L5. The normal uterus weighs dash grams 90, 80, 60, 50. The correct answer is 60 grams. Moslem prayer position is used in dash surgery, laminectomy, laparoscopy, laryngectomy, laparotomy. Correct answer is laminectomy. The term meningocele means the meninges is protrude out through the spinal canal. Spinal cord and the cord membranes protrude out. Only spinal cord protrudes. CSF collected in a cyst. Here the right answer is the meninges is protrude out through the spinal canal. Next is an opening in the bone through which blood vessels, nerves and ligaments pass is called options fossa, sulcus, antrum, foramen. Answer is foramen. Dash is celebrated as World Health Day June 5th, April 7th, March 8th, May 31st. Right answer is April 7th. In India, it is recently found that incidence of malaria is increasing due to poor sanitation conditions, increase in the population, mosquitoes becoming DDT resistant, poverty in villages. Here the answer is mosquitoes becoming DDT resistant. Omphalitis is the infection of dash in newborn children. Options umbilical cord, eyes, pharynx, ears. The right answer is umbilical cord. Mumps is a disease that affects parotid gland, tongue, salivary gland, thyroid. Here the right answer is parotid gland. Empyema means collection of fluid in peritoneal cavity, collection of fluid in pleural cavity, collection of pus in pleural cavity, new growth in the lungs. The correct answer is collection of pus in pleural cavity. The primary activity of selective antibiotic penicillin is inhibit protein synthesis, inhibit nucleic acid synthesis, inhibit cell wall synthesis, metabolic antagonism. Answer is inhibit cell wall synthesis. Whooping cough is caused by Streptococcus bacillus, pertussis bacillus, varicella virus, non-specific viral infection. Here the answer is pertussis bacillus. The audible range of human ear is between 20 to 20,000 Hz, 50 to 500 Hz, 200 to 20,000 Hz, 20 to 2,000 Hz. Answer is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Pernicious anemia is the commonest form of anemia caused by the lack of vitamin B12, folic acid, iron, calcium. Answer is vitamin B12. Dash is a common agent responsible for infantile diarrhea. Options: rotavirus, streptococci, E. coli, entamoeba histolytica. Answer: rotavirus. Immunity is not long-lasting in dash disease. Options: diphtheria, influenza, whooping cough, mumps. Answer is influenza. Schizophrenia comes under dash form of psychological disorders: psychotic disorder, dysthymic disorder, cyclothymic disorder, depressive disorder. Answer is psychotic disorder. Dash is a term used for slower heart in an adult, usually less than 60 beats per minute. Options: tachycardia, arrhythmia, bradycardia, mesocardia. And the right answer is bradycardia. Major source of air pollution is burning of wood, biogas, fossil fuels, cow dung cakes. And the answer is fossil fuels. Pet sores are caused by localized ischemia, contusion, excess heat, friction. Answer: friction. Dash may be caused due to the accumulation of lead in the body. Options: thalassemia, weakening of nerves, weakening of bones, paralysis. Answer: weakening of nerves. Dash is formed from vitamin K, a fat-soluble vitamin absorbed from small intestine. Thromboplastin, prothrombin, fibrinogen, thrombin. The answer is prothrombin. A space called dash is found between two pleural cavities. Options: serosa, parietal, soleus, mediastinum. The answer is mediastinum. Viruses require dash for growth. Options: bacteria, animals, plants, living cells. Answer is living cells. Dash is another term used for umbilical cord. Options: omphalon, amnion, chorion, funis. Answer is funis. The term stillbirth is used after dash weeks of pregnancy. Options: 28, 36, 20, 30. The right answer is 28. Dash is not a cause for tear. Options: gynecoid pelvis, face presentation, rigid perineum, large baby. Here the answer is gynecoid pelvis. Kerman type catheter is used in dash condition. Options: abortions, vacuum extraction, vacuum drainage, retention of urine. Answer: abortions. Next question. Dash is the invagination or telescoping of portion of the intestine into an adjacent more distal section of the intestine, which creates a mechanical obstruction. Options are Hirschsprung's disease, aneurysm, enterocolitis, inducible susception. Here the answer is induception. Dash is not a type of wound. Options: contusion, puncture, laceration, ulcer. Answer is ulcer. Herpes zoster is a common disease caused by blood disorder, viral infection, nerve disorder, unhygienic skin conditions. Here the answer is viral infection. Then which one of this disease is transmitted through sexual contact? Options: jaundice, tetanus, tuberculosis, AIDS. Answer is AIDS. Due to the lack or low level of dash enzyme, a young child suffers from cretinism. Options: calcitonin, tetraiodothyronine, hydrocortisone, aldosterone. Here the answer is tetraiodothyronine. New growth in the bone marrow is osteoma, myoma, myeloma, odontoma. Answer is myeloma. Celiac disease, also called gluten sensitive entropy, affects which part of the GI tract? Options: stomach, small intestine, duodenum, large intestine. The answer is small intestine. How many positions are seen in breech presentation? Options: 2, 6, 4, 8. Here the answer is 6. Immediate treatment of ingestion of poisonous subjects is: options: forced diuresis, seek info to identify drug, gastric lavage, induce vomiting. Here the answer is gastric lavage. Development of congestive heart failure is due to mitral stenosis, chronic bronchitis, hypertension, chronic chest disease. Answer is mitral stenosis. Kernic's sign is associated with the symptoms of disease: encephalitis, meningitis, appendicitis, vertebral prolapse. Answer is meningitis. Big and bloody uterus with bleeding and rapid pulse rate in the third stage of labor are the signs of postpartum hemorrhage, retained placenta, adherent placenta, rupture of the uterus. Answer is rupture of the uterus. The term oma means new growth, organ, cyst, opening. Answer is new growth. Which is the important point in taking care of a patient with communicable disease? Options: care of used utensils and articles, immunization, hospitalization, isolation. Here the correct answer is isolation. So thank you. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos related to the previous year questions, you can subscribe our channel.